this activity. It's a wonderful activity. What we are supposed to do, we have one class in front of us, right? We have to be at our places. We have to listen the instruction properly and do the same. Only do the same what I'll be saying. No need to fight. It's not parliament. No need to do cheat. It's a school. So go back, man. Okay. So no cheating, no fighting. With love, with affection, with humbleness. Okay. So music, please. Shoulder. Rotate your shoulder. Good. Touch your knee. Knees. Touch your knees. Touch your waist. Rotate your waist. Jump. Jump high. Touch your feet. Touch your head. Touch your class. Great, perfect. Now those who are glasses, जिनके पास ग्लास नहीं है वो बैठ जाएंगे. जिनके पास ग्लास नहीं है वो बैठ जाएंगे. जिनके पास ग्लास है वो एक दूसरे के सामने खड़े हो जाएंगे. हाँ, बीच में ग्लास रखिए, एक दूसरे के सामने. Again, be in front of each other. Be at the same place in front of each other. Shoot them. एक के सामने एक. Yes. Done. Be here. Done. उनके सामने ना, उनके सामने. Go back. Don't cheat. Okay. Dance. Jump. Jump high. Touch your shoulder. Touch your eyes. Touch your cheeks. Put your cheeks. Smile. Laugh. Touch your waist. Rotate your waist. Touch your class. Very good. Well, those who are not having glasses, please go and sit there. Those who have glass, come in front of each other again. Come in front of one another. Fast. Those who are left, remove extra glasses. Now, how many are left? Okay, come. Yes, now you all 5 are there, right? Now 5 are there, na? Keep 3 glasses only. 3 glasses only. Remove 2. We need only 3 glasses now. No, make a circle now. Make a circle. In that way. 3 glasses. Make a circle. Yes. Dance in circle. Dude, stay away. Yes. Jump high. Clap. Touch your waist. Rotate your waist. Good. Jump high. Touch your eyes. Touch your ear. Say sorry. Sorry, ma'am. बच्चों से बहुत खिलवाते हैं. Sorry, ma'am. Thank you. Say thank you. Leave your ear and say thank you. Touch your class. साथ. Okay. So you all 4 will be here in class 1. One class. Yes, 1 class and 4. Come fast. Come. Start. Okay, stay away. Maintain distance, please. Distance. Very good. Well done, ma'am. She is the real spirit for everyone. Great. Okay. Touch your waist. And dance. Touch your waist and dance. Yeah, catwalk. Wow, super. Now touch your head. Touch your waist. Rotate your waist. Rotate your waist. Listen to instruction. Yes. Anti-clock. the clock.